girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't know this where I've been, I have been a menace. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heaven.
Why am I so clumsy this morning? I must have dropped like 6 things already. Hey, I really wanted to do a little cheeky what I wear in a week because I wear quite a variety of stuff from pajamas to like outfits of the 2 days I go into uni. I take fashion design, so I feel like there's quite a lot of pressure to like pop off every time you enter the building. But I really like this outfit I'm wearing today. I've worn it quite a lot of times. It's like not doing much, but at the same time doing quite a lot. It's this white long sleeve top which has got like lace and it's like kind of cut like that. I should probably know the technical term, but I don't. And then this purple mesh top which I've got from Portobello Vintage Market. And then my good old trusty parachute pants. I need to decide what shoes I'm wearing. Maybe I will actually. But I've also got purple. I'm honestly gonna put the orange ones on. I probably don't want to be giving you that much of a close-up of my carpet. I'm going into uni today to basically do like a drawing class and like a designing class. I'm not really moving about much, which makes me sad because I kind of want to move about so people can see this. But whatever. Hello. I was gonna say good morning, but it's actually the afternoon. It is Tuesday. It's like a comfy day because I'm just here and I'm working, trying to get a load of shit done. I've literally been sat here on my floor. I always work on my floor, I don't really know why. Designing away and trying to get my thoughts straight about final collection. The end of this project is like a fashion show. I'm so excited, but that means there's a lot of work. I'm thinking of maybe filming the fashion show as well, so let me know if you want to see that. So obviously I'm just not really doing much. Grey jumper that I found at a charity shop, a Barclaw t-shirt on underneath, these joggers which are so comfy but they're so long at the bottom that I need to take them up, and these slippers that I got when I was in hospital. It was unintentionally cute. And my jewellery is just all my normal necklaces. I don't really wear rings when I'm around because they kind of get in the way. But it's kind of sunny today and I'm kind of sad that I'm not outside. I feel like today's is a good one. I've got to go out really soon, so I'm just eating this raw baguette. I'm hoping there'll be no repercussions. I am model casting. Which means I have to go up to people in the street basically and be like, yo, fancy being a model. This is very new territory for me. We'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll be able to film much because genuinely it's terrifying enough as it is. I'll let you know how it is afterwards. But I was like, I kind of need to look cool. Because if I'm casting models, they're going to want to be like, oh, I'm going to look cool if I do this. So I was like, I actually need to put a bit of effort in today. So I've got my usual stack on my ears. And I'm wearing this coat, which I always forget I have. Parachute pants and these big chunky black boots. Let me show you. So hopefully I'll be able to cast the models. I'm really worried people are going to think I'm hitting on them. This is going to be a little bit of an experience. I kind of wish I could film it, but I think it would be a step too far. It's Thursday. Today's outfit is very similar to yesterday's, except I just changed out the trousers. I'm going to change my shoes obviously because these are my slippers. I'm not going to dwell too long on this one because it's exactly the same and I'm basically having exactly the same day as yesterday. Doing casting, doing a bit of work and then going to bed. I felt really confident in this yesterday with my big shoes on, so maybe I'll put the big shoes on again. Morning, I'm running late. I'm going into uni today, to finish off my final design. I'm wearing this top, which I really like, and my big parachute pants and the shoes, because I started wearing them this week and now I'm kind of addicted to the height that they give me.
I can take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't know this where I've been, I have been a menace. I've been trying to take my time because it's been a minute.
I'm literally editing the video right now, but that is my week. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know if you'd like to see more of these. I actually really enjoyed filming this and it was so easy to do that I could probably do it alongside other videos. Don't forget to subscribe because like 80% of you that watch these aren't subscribed. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next week's video. Bye.